guys, so I'm back and it's actually the day after. I should have taken these twists down, but yesterday again I wasn't feeling my best, so we're gonna just go with today. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these twists down that I remoisturized with the Melanin Leave-In and the TRAELUX Mousse, and we're going to see how they look. Now, I will say that they feel good, and I felt a lot better about my hair being moisturized for a few more days since I didn't wash it right away. Now, to me, it definitely needs to be washed. It doesn't itch or anything, which is surprising, but it definitely needs to be washed in my opinion, just because I don't normally go this long without washing my hair. So I think when I applied these twists, I said I was already on what, 10-day hair, 9 or 10-day hair, and then I left it in 11, 12. So then today would be like 13-day hair. So guys, yeah, almost 2 weeks I've gone without washing my hair, and y'all know I don't do that. Y'all know I don't do that. But I like the fact that my scalp is not itching or anything like that. So yeah, that's a good thing. I will say that my hair does feel coated. Just taking them down, I can feel like residue on my fingers, which I don't necessarily care for, but that's okay because I'm not going to wear these twists a long time. I'm just showing you that, you know, you can retwist your hair, remoisturize it, get you a few more days if need be, especially if you are on vacation or you're coming off of vacation like me and you just don't have the time to wash it, or you're under the weather or whatever the case may be. You can definitely refresh it by adding a little bit more of the leave-in or the cream that you use to put them in, and topping it with a mousse if you want to, or, you know, I could have just used the leave-in probably, but I had planned on taking these out yesterday because I was going to go to church, but I didn't feel real good yesterday either, so we ended up staying home, and because we stayed home, I decided not to take the twist out and just waited till today. So today is Monday, guys. Happy Monday. And I'm feeling I'm feeling better. Don't get me wrong, I am feeling better, but I'm not 100%. I still have a little bit of the sniffles. But I feel okay to film, to do this takedown and film, and get my hair ready for my next wash day. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this down, wear it today, and probably wash my hair tomorrow if I feel up to it. So yeah, but right now it feels soft, it feels moisturized, it does have a little coating like I said. It looks healthy, it has a healthy sheen to it, so that's great. So yeah, I will say that this Melanin Leave-In is moisturizing for me. I just wish that the scent was different. I just wish that the scent was different, because I can still smell a little bit of the mint, and it's been a few days. So this scent does linger in my opinion. So I wish that the scent was different, but it definitely moisturize the hair, so I'm not going to complain. And then of course this TRAELUX mousse to me is kind of moisturizing for a mousse. I don't feel like it's drying or anything, and it definitely defines the hair, as you can see. So these two definitely gave me a lot of definition. I feel like I have some elongation too, and that's probably because I retwisted on pretty, you know, already stretched hair, because I just took down twists that were already in and then just retwisted. I did wet it a little bit with water first, y'all saw, but for the most part I didn't drench my hair, so that's probably why it looks, and it looks a little more elongated than normal. So yeah, anyway guys, this is me taking it out. I'm not going to say a lot about it. I just did the remoisturizing, wanted to show you guys how it looked. You see how it looks. I'm not going to give a big review or anything because it wasn't for a review. It was just to get my hair to last a little bit longer since I was under the weather, and I wanted to show you guys how I was going to do that basically, and I did. So this is how I did it. So yeah, you guys already know how I feel about these two products. They work well together. I don't have any flaking. I don't have any dusting or anything like that. If you want to use these two together, they work great together, and they definitely give definition. So this is my hair. I am not going to, as I separate, I was gonna say I'm not gonna separate too much more than this because I'm not going anywhere. I am in the house today. It is gloomy today. It is still cold here, but I don't have anywhere to go. My husband did my errands for me yesterday, so I don't really have anywhere to go. So I'm not going to do too much to my hair. I'm just pretty much going to leave it like this so you see how it looks. You see the definition. I keep saying I'm gonna leave it like this, but I feel these big clumps and I want to separate them, so maybe I will. But anyway, guys, that's it. I just wanted to come on and give a little bit of content because I'm behind since I didn't film anything the whole week I was gone. I didn't film anything the whole week I got back. Now we're into a whole nother week and I haven't really filmed anything, so the stuff that you have seen go up was stuff that was pre-filmed. So yeah, I'm behind. So I was like, well, maybe I need to go ahead and film me re-moisturizing my hair, and then I'll film the takedown, and that'll give me a little bit of content. So so that's why I showed you guys. And normally I wouldn't have, but maybe it was good to see. Let me know if this was helpful because I don't always do videos like this. I'm thinking that I forget that new people are always watching me. I figure that I have my OGs watching me. You've seen me do it before. You've been natural for a while. You know what to do, but I can't assume that. I have to always have the mindset of there's somebody new who's natural. There's somebody new who's watching me who haven't seen my older videos, and maybe whatever content I do is going to be helpful. So let me know. But guys, that's it. This is my hair. Refreshed. I feel much better actually having my hair down and done, and I am on the mend. So yeah, don't want you guys to be worrying about me. I'm definitely on the mend. So yeah, these two work well together. I like them. Let y'all see the back. I would use that combo again. So let me know what you feel about this refresh. Let me know if you have refreshed your twist outs, and if you do, how do you do it? What products do you use to refresh? Leave it in the comment section below so we all can learn from you. And yeah, guys, if you want to see more content like this, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.